Hello guys, so I got my SMT560 and used Samsung Galaxy Tab repaired. Sort of. This is actually not the original. This is actually a brand new tablet. This is the new box came into. I'm covering up the information because I do not want anyone. Yeah, so it's a brand new. So I actually got a new tabby. The old one's still in in here. Yeah, this box has seen better days. Hold up. Okay, so that's the old one. The old one's actually still broken. Yep, that's how it looks like. Yeah. I have transferred all my data from my broken one to working one. Actually, more like copied. Unfortunately, here's the thing: the new box didn't come with a micro SD card, so I had to pull that one from here. Other than that, everything else has been copied. So all the old. See, this is the old box. Yeah, I've seen better days. I know there's some changes like here. It's nice and Android, but also has an energy light. The labels are different. Okay, and that's my Android tablet. Hold up, it's starting up. Hey. Wait, so here's how you compare my tablets. Yep, that's the old one, that's the new one. Alright, so yep, if we compare it, it's still kind of broken, but hey, at least it's somehow works. Yeah, but it's kind of broken, yeah. This, like, I plan one day to, like, get this LCD replaced. Yeah, all my data from my own. So I could start making new videos again, but this one is it is broken, so yeah. One day when I get enough money, I plan to do is like get around $300-ish. Take it to get the LCD replaced, and then one day, yeah, and after that, I'll do is I'll transfer all the data from my old one back to the old one, and then return and get my money back. Alright, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.